Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, this is a 7-part series of Bolos. So there's going to be 7 videos. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. So this is part 3. So you're going to want to go to the ones before this and the ones after this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 6 Bolo items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell high. One of these items is from the Goodwill. Now, it's not like from the Goodwill, like we go and source at. This is a Goodwill that sells on eBay. So I don't know if you guys know, I have several videos where I feature Goodwill eBay stores on my main Bolo Buddies channel. They all have Goodwill in the title. So if you want to see what the Goodwill is selling, go check out those videos. Amazing bolos. And most of them start their auctions like at $9.99, and they auction off a lot of stuff. So it's a great place to source as well. But anyway, in this little mini series I'm doing, I am featuring 5 members of my Bolo Buddies YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you their stores or their YouTube channel, one or the other. Those will also be linked down in the description. This is a great way to learn. Go and check them out. So I'm going to show you those 5 people, and then I'm going to show you the items. And then we're going to take a little break while you guys guess which one was sold by the Goodwill. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So I thought this would just be a fun way to kind of get some interaction going, get you guys to comment down below and see if you're a good guesser. All right, you guys, let's get started here. So we will start with the 5 featured members. And the first is Nikki Loves Snacks, and she has a YouTube channel. I'm going to be really brief with these. You guys can check them out down below. And the next is Gail's Resale NC. She does not have a YouTube channel, but has an awesome eBay store, so check that out. The Funky Pickle Thrifter, who specializes in jewelry, but also sells a lot of vintage stuff. Check her out. And we've got Gigi's Gold Mine. No channel, but eBay store is linked down below. We've got Farm Girl Scavenger Noelle, who also has an awesome YouTube channel. So you guys, they are all fantastic. Their stores are amazing. Their channels are amazing. Check them out down below. But let's take a look at those 6 items and see if you can guess which one was sold by the Goodwill. All right, so the first item are these Starbucks mugs, you guys. And Starbucks mugs in general, they range from bread and butter to big money. And this seller decided to auction these, and they only got 5 bids, so I'm a little surprised by that. $41 plus shipping. The next item is this Jungle Jubilee Lynn Chase bowl. And it's a cereal bowl, you guys, and it sold for $39.99 plus shipping. And let me show you here. It's got a little turtle on the inside. How cute is that? And it looks like there are 2 more available. The next item that sold are these Buyer's Choice Carolers. And there are some that are knockoffs, or they look similar, but they are not. So you want to make sure that you're finding the ones that have this information down on the bottom. The next item, and it looks like a best offer was taken on those. The next item is this baseball player Steinbach Nutcracker. And you guys, it's a baseball nutcracker. How fun is he? Great picture at the bottom. You always want to include that information. Looks like it sold for $89.99 plus shipping. The next item is this 2010 Hallmark Snow Globe Santa Takes Flight, not working, sold for $75 plus shipping. And this turkey, you guys, it's like a centerpiece cookie jar. How fun is that? It sold for $79.99 and the buyer paid shipping. All right, you guys, I'm going to play my trailer now while you guys figure out which of these 6 items was sold by the eBay or the Goodwill on eBay. Put that down in the comments. Just like if you think it was the turkey, put turkey. If you think it was the Starbucks, put Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so here's my trailer. And when we come back, I'm going to tell you on the 5 items, where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, we're back. So back to the first item here, these Starbucks mugs. If you thought the Goodwill online sold these on eBay, you are correct. Could they have gotten more if they would have not did an auction? Maybe. Could they have gotten more if they would have sold them individually? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But this one was the Goodwill. Now, this bowl was Gail's new and vintage, and she got these free for her from her sister, and she ended up selling this for $31.99 plus shipping. The next item are the buyer's carolers. These came from an estate sale. He paid $5 for them, and he took a best offer of $90. And that one came from Gigi's Gold Mine. This vintage baseball nutcracker, how fun is that? This was sold by the Funky Pickle Thrifter, and she got it at a thrift store for $5. $89.99 on that one, plus shipping. The next item is this 2010 Hallmark snow globe that does not work. She said that she got this for $9, and it was not working. If it would have been working, it would have sold for $250 to $400. So definitely a Bolo item if you can find it working. That is amazing. She paid $9 for it. And the last item here is this centerpiece cookie jar that is a turkey, which is fantastic. This one came from Farm Girl Scavenger Noel, and she got it at an estate sale bulk buy. So she had about $2 in this, and it sold for $79.99 plus shipping. All right, you guys, what do you think? Did you guess right? Down in the comments, leave me an emoji of an owl if you made it this far. And if you're interested in being featured in videos, you can join my Bolo Buddies memberships. It is just for perks, you guys. My channel is completely free. But if you want to have your Bolo items featured, you can definitely join. And I will shout out your channel or your eBay store. Now, if you just want to have your Bolo featured and you don't want the shout out, you can go over to my Facebook group, my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, and under the announcements or the featured section, I have an area that says your best January Bolo or your best toy Bolo. And you can share a screenshot there, and I will share your item in a future video. That I do not do shout outs unless you're a member. So that's just a great way to share your knowledge and be in a video. And that costs nothing. So check out my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Again, this is part 3. So check out parts 1 and 2, and then 4 through 7 to see the other Bolo items. Let me know what you think about this series. Do you think it's fun? Do you think it's just wah wah? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.